Good afternoon. My name is Cindy.
And my name is Dana. Today we will prepare a delicious recipe.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking when I have time. In this kitchen, my mother cooked a delicious dip with cheese. Our recipe is cheese street.
Okay, the ingredients that we need are
Okay, wheat flour 100 grams,
salt to taste,
sugar to taste,
2 eggs,
cheese 100 grams,
olive oil.
and the last ingredient, the milk.
Okay, the process to the recipe is
First, in a recipient, add the wheat flour, remember 100 grams.
the second step is add the egg. Two. After add the sugar
And salt to taste. Then I mix the ingredients until we obtain a homogeneous mixture.
After this, we add the milk.
Okay, when we obtain the mixture, we must wait 10 minutes. After, add the mixture on the spit. Okay, our recipe you can eat with cheese. The ingredients are the cheapest of the market.
Thank you. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, Cindy. Bye bye.